Hi! Welcome to my channel. At kung bago ka lang dito ay huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at pindutin lang ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong math tutorial videos.
Today class ay mag-solve tayo ng mga problems involving triangle similarity. Dito gagamitin natin yung mga natutunan nyo doon sa previous video na ginawa ko about proportion. So ano nga ba class ang triangle similarity? So triangle similarity, two triangles are similar if their angles are congruent and their sides are proportion. Example, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. So ito nga pala class yung symbol na ginagamit sa similarity. At kung mapapansin nyo, yung isang triangle natin class ay malaki at yung isa naman ay maliit. Ibig sabihin, hindi tayo nagbe-base sa size ng ating triangle. Ang similarity kasi can be simply stated as two figures having the same shape but not necessarily the same size. Now, let's solve for x. And to solve this, kailangan muna natin gumawa ng proportionality statement. So, kukunin lang natin class yung ratio ng ating mga sides. So, AB over GF. So, ito ay proportion class sa AC over EF and BC over GE. Make sure lang class na dapat consistent tayo doon sa gagawin nating proportionality statement. Tulad ng ginawa natin, yung AB, AC, and BC, lahat sila nilagay natin sa numerator. Itong mga ito ay mas malaki yung value compare class sa FG, EF, and EG. Sa madaling salita, yung AB, AC, and BC natin, lahat sila ay sides ng mas malaking triangle. At yung FG, EF, and EG, galing naman class sa mas maliit na triangle. Kaya sabi ko kanina, dapat consistent tayo. Kung lahat ng mataas ay sa numerator, lahat naman ng mas mababa ay nasa denominator. Kung gusto niyo naman na lahat ng maliliit ay sa taas, lahat naman dapat class ng malaki ilalagay nyo naman sa baba. At pagkatapos natin class gumawa ng proportionality statement, next step naman ay isa-substitute lang natin yung value. At dito pwedeng dalawang ratio lang yung kunin natin. Make sure lang na kasama natin kukunin yung mayroong variable or yung x kasi yun yung isa-solve natin. At since class yung x ay nasa FG, so ito yung ratio na isa-substitute natin. AB over FG is equal to AC over EF. So substitute natin yung value, magiging 20 over x is equal to 15 over 3. Tapos gagamitan natin class ng cross product property. So 20 times 3 is equal to 60. And 15 times x is equal to 15x. Then, divide natin class both sides by 15. X is equal to 4. Another example. Triangle HIJ is similar to triangle KLM. And for letter A, write the proportionality statement. Letter B, find the value of x. And letter C, find the value of its side. So, for letter A class, gawan natin ng proportionality statement. And yung proportionality statement dito is HI over KL is equal to HJ over KM and equal to IJ over LM. Next naman, kukuha tayo ng dalawang ratio. So, ang kukunin natin dito class is yung HI over KL is equal to HJ over KM. So, ito yung gagamitin natin sa letter B para makuha natin yung value ng X. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung given. So, magiging X plus 8 over 4 is equal to x over 2. Tapos, apply natin class yung cross product property. So, x plus 8 times 2 is equal to 2x plus 16. And 4 times x is equal to 4x. Then, next naman class, subtract natin both sides by 2x. So, magiging 16 is equal to 2x. And last, divide natin both sides by 2. So, makukuha natin yung value ng x. X is equal to 8. At para naman class sa letter C, find the value of each side. And since nakuha na natin yung value ng x, madali na natin makukuha yung mga sides ng triangle. So, HJ is equal to 8, HI is equal to 16, and IJ is equal to 12. So, saan natin class nakuha yung HJ? So, yung HJ natin is x. Since x is equal to 8, so ito yung naging HJ natin. Yung HI naman natin class is x plus 8. If x is equal to 8, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Para naman dun sa IJ, x is equal to 4. So, x is equal to 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So, hanggang dito na lang class. Kung meron po kayong hindi naintindihan at meron kayong gustong itanong, ilagay lang sa ating comment section at isa-isa po natin yang sasagutin. Muli, maraming salamat sa panonood. God bless.